So here is how to fix Roblox problem reaching our servers. For the connection error, sorry, there was a problem reaching our servers. So first what you can do is check the firewall settings if the game is allowed through firewall. So click on the Windows icon and then search for firewall. Then click on firewall and network protection. And in here you can either disable temporarily disable these three firewall settings for the public, private, and domain network, or you can click on allow an app through firewall. And in here you will need to click on change settings and then make sure Roblox in here has public and private settings checked. So if you search for Roblox here by typing R, now if you can't see Roblox in here, you can simply add it, allow another app, and then click browse, and then browse to Roblox. You can go to program files, Roblox versions, and then select the latest version from here, which is this one right here, and then click on Roblox player beta, and then open it. Now click on add and make sure private and public are checked. Now you can press OK and then go back and test the game to see if it works. Next, what you can do is check the DNS settings by going right-clicking Windows icon and then going to Network Connection and clicking on Ethernet, and then under DNS Server Assignment, click Edit. Activate the IPv4 and then set the DNS to manual instead of automatic, and use this preferred DNS 8.8.8.8. And for the alternate DNS, we want to use 8.8.4.4. Then simply click Save. Now you can close this and right click and run the game as administrator. And that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.